Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Urvashi, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to write your UX case study. I will give you some of the steps that you can follow while writing your UX case study. So without any further delay, let's get started. I will keep this video short and simple for you to understand it better. So let's get started. UX case studies are very essential and important part to build a strong and excellent portfolio. UX designers demonstrate their thought process and ability to validate their design decision in their UX case studies. UX case study is a way of representing the story of the project by communicating what you did and why you did it. I will give you some of the steps or a roadmap that you can follow to structure your UX case study. So the first step is overview. In this step, you will provide the quick summary of the project, like what is it all about? And you will provide the crucial or important details in this overview. Like it's a food delivery app, it's an NFT related app, it's a shopping app, it's a plant delivery app, or whatever. So you need to provide the quick summary of the project in this step, and remember to keep the overview short and simple. Now, second step is problem statement. In this step, you will write the purpose of the project, like for what you are designing that product, or in other words, you have to state the issue or a problem that you are solving with that product you are designing. You can also state the desired outcome or the goal of this project in this step, that is problem statement. Third step is users and audience. In this step, you will define your target users or audience. In other words, you will define who would use your product. For example, youngsters, elder people, or you can also state the age group for the audiences. Fourth step is roles and responsibilities. In this step, you will define your role or responsibilities in the project, like what you did in the project, like you did UI design, you did interaction design, or you have taken care of the whole UX part. In other words, you will state for what you were responsible for in this project. You can also define your team members in this step, if any. Fifth step is scope or challenges. In this step, you will state all the challenges that you have faced while doing the project, or you can also state other limiting factors such as budget, timeline, or any other factor. Sixth step is process and what you did. In this step, you will outline all the steps of the design process that you have used in the project. So you need to describe all the steps in detail while writing your UX case study, and you also have to tell what you did and why you did it. So the seventh step is outcomes and results. In this step, you are going to showcase your results in the form of designs, prototypes, statistics, etc. And also you have to state, or it's your choice, if you want, then you can state if you are able to solve your user's problem with your design. At last, you can also add your learnings from this project. I would like to add some of the key things that I have personally followed while writing my first UX case study. So I always recommend everyone to keep a notepad or a diary in which you write all the things about your UX project. So I did it personally. I have written all the steps that I was going to follow in my project, and it really helped me. I written all the details of each step and used it while writing my UX case study on Medium. And you can also follow this while writing a case study on WordPress, Medium, or any other platform. It is very helpful. So you can try it out. Keep a notepad and start writing all the steps that you are following in your project. So that's all for today. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. And also, if there is any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out. I will see you all next time.